babies.
Okay, today we're in Adobe Photoshop, and today we're gonna learn how to put a image inside text. Now this works best when you have big bold letters. You could do it with small letters too, but the outcome is better with bigger letters. So as you see, we got 80s babies on the screen, and I also have a image of my son. He wants to be the Flash. So I'm gonna make this text this image. So the first thing I'm gonna do is drag my image layer above my text layer. Next, I'm gonna go to this little tab button right here, click there, go to create clipping mask, and bow. That's it. That's the whole function right there. You can move the image around behind it to get it where you want it. So I want that looks good when in an 8. Or I can go and move the text however I want to move the text. I can also make it smaller. That's what I wanted, just to give it a cool look, or I can make it bigger. It doesn't matter because the image is behind it. Hope you guys learned something today. See you next time. Peace.